welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a narwhal, the unicorn of the sea, step by step. So grab your paper and a pencil. Let's get started. Okay, illustrators, we're going to draw our narwhal character. This character is going to start with a really big teardrop shape. And you can see we haven't connected it. We will connect it, but we're going to add a tail. And the tail is going to have two curves, 1 and 2. And we'll connect those with the letter V. We'll add 2 fins. The first one will be coming from behind. One. And we'll do that same shape, but here on the front of our narwhal. 2. And we'll be adding a different color for the stomach of our character. That way you can set yourself up for some coloring success later by having a few different areas that you can add color to. And we're going to make our narwhal very happy. So we'll put on 2 eyes that are very small. 1 and 2. The eyes are pretty far apart. And we'll do a big open mouth smile. So we'll start with a small smile here right between the eyes. And then we'll expand that into a big open mouth that you can color in. We'll add 2 little eyebrows. Eyebrows are essential for good characters. And we get to add the big tusk that narwhals are famous for. We'll add a little smile shape for the base of the tusk, and then we'll bring it up just like the horn of a unicorn. All right, great job, illustrators. So we can add a little bit of background information. We could add some bubbles to indicate that this narwhal is in the water. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, we can add a little character that our narwhal is looking at. So in illustration, if you've got 2 characters, it's really important for them to look at each other if they're supposed to be interacting. So we could actually add a little fish up here that's very simple. It is a circle shape. Looks like a big bubble right now. With 2 ovals followed by little circles for the pupils. And I told you this was going to be a very, very simple fish, and it is. Little smile. Two eyebrows. And then just a couple little fins here. Fin for the top of its head. And then we'll see the little tail fin sticking out from behind our fish here. So we'll expand this a little bit, put some more bubbles around to tie the environment in between our 2 characters here. All right, illustrators, there we have our narwhal and bonus character, a little fish. Now it is time to add color. So you can get crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything that you'd like to color in your illustrations today. This is what I chose to do. our finished narwhal plus our bonus fish character illustration, the last step we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there we have our narwhal characters. Great job today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more fun illustrations coming your way. I'll see you guys next time.